typical day of Gunta the Fifth's holiday. Not any old dog, but the richest dog in the world, successor of the mythical German shepherd Gunta IV, who, as a legend goes, inherited an immense fortune from a German countess. King Gunta, as he is known in Italy, is extremely picky in choosing his hotels. He expects only the best, where service is discreet, prompt, and of the highest level. For this weekend, Gunta has chosen Castelfra Resort and Spa, renowned 5-star deluxe property on the shores of stunning Lake Como, destination of many international celebrities. Of course, the arrival cannot be in a common taxi. Gunta's necessities require a luxurious stretch limo. After checking in, Gunta is escorted to his suite, where he enjoys a well-deserved rest with all comforts his novelty requires. Having had enough of a sofa, King Gunta heads for the bed to lay down and enjoy his favorite cartoon, the 101 Dalmatians, specially set up by one of the very attentive staff members who is always eager to think. It's time for some fitness. In Blevy it's a stunning day, and Gunta feels like stretching his leg with a champion's run. To reach his guests in time for cocktail, he practices his favorite sport, the waiter's ladder. Upon arrival, he is met by a €300 per bottle of champagne and his favorite cocktail, water with fruit and blue vitamin supplements. Lunchtime at last, King Gunta is welcomed at the award-winning Orangery restaurant, where his favorite table, the best one in the house, has been reserved for him. The millionaire dog has a penchant for details. After reading a menu specially arranged for him by the attentive chef, he chooses his lunch. King Gunta definitely does not like waiting. For this reason, two waiters serve him immediately his refined 3-course meal. A carrot potato bun, beef cubes, and boiled rice and a mouth-watering tenderloin. The excited German shepherd certainly enjoys life, being very attentive to the hotel's etiquette rules. The tenderloin is his favorite. Nothing better than a sightseeing excursion on the lake to ease digestion. It's a well-known fact that Gunta enjoys it. Jimmy's way too tired. Private pool in his suite is without doubt more enjoyable, where staff is always on hand to serve him some treats and food. Under the vigilant eye of his bodyguards, King Gunta catches some praise and lazily feels more than satisfied for the choice he actually made for this holiday. What a dog's life. Well, of course, this is not an ordinary dog. It's actually a king.